Bricks in 6. Stephen Lowig in 7.
Oh, false start. Oh, here we go. And they're off, folks.
Geyser Hernandez in 9th and Sawyer Lafayette in 10th for the series.
Yep. And so separately, I wanted to, as we're going through this first lap here, Formula 40 ultra lightweight. On pole was Jojo DeBalos, 2nd, Chris Binker, 3rd, Anamata, 4th, Joshua Smith, 5th, Dennis Garcia Delgado, 6th, Dan Hatrup, 7th, Rob Linders, 8th, Paul Kuhn, 8th, Paul Kuhn, 9th, Angela Brunson. And then in 10th, we have Jeff Sikachi.
Better than me saying that one. Chris Binker,
we got a
point series.
We got a nice race coming together here. Got folks bunched up quite nicely here, coming through into the back straight. This class is really a lot of fun here because you got a mix of young up-and-comers along with guys who just work for a living and need to get home in one piece generally. This Formula Twins class up front, you have guys running, anywhere from about 75 to 90 horsepower engines. They're running bikes like R7s, SV650s, Aprilia 660s, things like that. Those are the bikes you're going to see on the street that have their equivalent out here at the racetrack.
It's funny, you see a lot of Aprilias on your starting grid. Top 4 bikes are all Aprilias.
Yeah, the top Aprilia. Well, that's because the Aprilias are making a little more horsepower than the R7s coming right out of the box. Mm-hmm. But you got a lot of raciness happening right here.
You got a big grouping top
nice.
5 here.
A lot of jockeying for position there. Who do we have up front?
Justin Bornato in 1st, Alexander Enriquez in 2nd, and Matt Horseshoe in 3rd.
Gio's in 4th. Ooh, nice pat. Oh, look at that. They're getting
dicey there.
Yep. Bar to bar.
Justin Bornato leading us around into corner 7. Followed by a close Alexander Enriquez and Matt Horseshoe in 3rd. Gio Alvarez in 4th. You got a tight grouping here for the top 5 athletes here.
It looks like we had some changes of position here. We got Matt Horseshoe now in 2nd. Now they're on the back straight.
Coming down the slide before they make the left-hander into the bowl, followed by a tight right into the 10-degree banked corner.
Now my sense is the guy in 1st, Justin Ordano, has a little bit more horsepower than does Matt in 2nd. But you can see Matt is making the most of that corner speed on his bike to make sure that Justin doesn't get a run on him. And looks like Justin is separating himself a little, or there's Justin and Matt Horseshoe are separating themselves just a little bit from the rest of the group here. Oh! Looks like they just about touch wheels there.
Into the first corner they go.
All right.
Justin Bornato, Matt Horseshoe in 2nd, Alexander in 3rd, Alfonso in 4th, Gio in 5th.
Yeah. Matt in 2nd is currently the fastest guy out there on the track.
Keeping a nice tight inside corner into 5 as they go into 6.
Matt was running about
on the
half a second faster lap than Justin up ahead of him. And Matt is looking for a way to get around Justin.
Inching closer and closer. Matt on the inside as they come down the side straight.
Matt's trying to keep around. Yep, Matt's trying to keep it tight right there. Just trying to stay with them. You might see Justin get a little bit of the gap here or try to keep him honest right here on the straight. And you're going to see Matt probably trying to make something here as they drop down in the slide and head into the bowl.
Your top five keeping your top five leaders keeping this race within 1 second of each other. Nice and tight.
Again, Matt getting really close, trying to make a pass, trying to figure out where he can get it done. So far, he hasn't had an opening yet.
Coming in the corner of 16. Justin Bornado still leading the group.
And look at this, they're all tightening up. Oh, there goes Enriquez. Looks like he's trying to make a pass. Look, does he make it? Yep.
Enrique with the pass from the start straight as they come into corner number 1 with Justin Bornado still leading.
Yep, Matt looked like he was trying to fight back. Got the door closed on him.
Looks like he's inching up on Justin as well.
Yep.
Keeping a little bit tighter line, closer towards that apex.
Yeah, we got a real nice race shaping up front here. Guys in the back battling just a little bit, or just letting Justin just get a little bit further ahead. Again, Matt tries to go around the outside. Trying to hold it, can't do it.
A little bit of wobble on that front tire there. Oh,
lost
like
the front a little bit, yep.
Lost a couple positions after that corner.
Yeah.
Justin still leading them around with Enriquez in second.
Yeah. Looks like in that last corner there, as he was going through, Matt just lost the front just a little bit. Got him a little unsettled. Now Matt's got a bunch of work to do to get back up front, but it looks like in the interim, he got a good fight up front. Justin's still keeping everybody behind him. And here we head into the bowl. Let's see if we see some action here.
Justin still leading them around with Enriquez in second. Matt falling down to fourth.
Yep, Matt's got a lot of work to do to get back up there.
Califano in third. Califano inching, trying to make the pass on second place in front of Enriquez. As they're completing lap 3 out of 6 for race 6 Formula Twin combined. Justin leading them with Enriquez inching closer.
Look at that, look at that, look at that, the pass. No, gets the door closed on him. Matt's doing the best he can to try to get himself back up into third.
Justin Bornado, Alexander Enriquez in second. Getting ever so closer to Justin with Matt Horseshoe in third. Geyser Hernandez moving up to fourth position and Gio dropping down to fifth.
Looks like there's been a few changes up front right here. We see Matt dropping into fifth. Oh! Just lost it.
And he's okay. He's moving around. Oh man, that's
brutal. That was
man.
brutal.
That's way too much out of that
Looked
front
like
end.
he lost the front right there.
He low-sided right there, right? Let's take a look at the replay here.
Yeah, just look at that. Just lost.
Too much. Rear tire kicks out.
Lost the front right there. Just lost the front. Boom.
Thankfully, he's okay, man. That's a hard hit.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, your butt's gonna be a little bit sore in the morning for sure.
All right, as we're coming through the bowl, let's see where these guys are at. Okay.
Who's our leader now? Enriquez?
Hard to tell.
Looks like you have it's just a bummer for Justin Bornado.
Looks like we got, again, bunching right up. We've got 4 leaders right here.
Our top 5 have really been keeping this race nice and tight.
And you see where
Alexander Enrique is leading us.
Yep. So, tried to make a pass right there. Just couldn't get it done before the first corner.
Guys are moving up around positions from 5th to 2nd place. Matt Horseshoe in 2nd through the start straight. Gio Alvarez in 4th. Alfonso Califano dropping down to 5th place.
Yep. You got Matt right there back and forth again. He's looking to try to make a move right here.
Man, these boys are keeping it tight this whole race around.
There he goes. Nope. Open. Oh, they've got a lap rider. They got to negotiate. Got to get around him. Another lap rider. That rider better move out of the way. Is he going to get Matt? Nope.
Alfonso Califano into second place. Enriquez leads as Califano takes second place on the back straight, inching closer towards Alexander. Trying to negotiate the slide.
As they drop down the slide, things are going to start to get a little bit desperate for guys who are in second.
Last lap, trying to make everything possible.
Looks like we lost Matt from this lead here.
Alexander leading him into 14. Califano in second.
Matt looks like he's settling for fourth in the back. You've got Alexander still in the lead. Can anything happen right here? Look, there's nope. Closing the door right there on 17.
Down the start straight they go. With Alexander Enriquez leading them down the start straight as he passes the checkered line for first place unofficial results. Geyser Hernandez being able to hold for second. Matt Horseshoe for third. And Alfonso Califano for fourth. Your unofficial race results for race 6 for Formula Twin combined. Hopefully Justin is okay after that spill he had earlier in this race. Just asking too much out of the traction. It's too much lean angle on that, right? Your rear tire just slipping out.
Just tried a little bit too hard right there.
Yeah. Here's
It's like we're going to see the replay.
Yeah, just asking too much. Oh, man. Well, one thing is it's a bummer that he hits the ground for one. You know, thankfully he's okay. And it's just seeing the bike go down like that. Yeah, that's just a bummer because
that's brutal.
That could end your weekend. You know, if you don't have the parts available to get those controls fixed, you're not going to be able to keep it going.
But what's nice also, you saw the guys in second, third, and fourth. They didn't lose their composure. They just kept on going. They didn't do anything silly or stupid. They understood that bike was going out in the direction off track, and their goal was just to keep on pressing on.
You have to, right? You can't let those surprises disrupt that focus, or else it's going to cost you some positions out in the race. We're going to go to a quick commercial break, and we'll be right back.